Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to reconcile your account in QuickBooks Online. Before I get into the video, be sure to subscribe and leave a comment below saying I subscribed. I will try to personally reply to your comments. Today I'm going to show you how to reconcile your account in QuickBooks Online. To reconcile your account in QuickBooks Online, you will need a monthly bank statement to verify that the transactions that clear your bank actually matches the transactions that's recorded in QuickBooks Online. Let me show you my screen to demonstrate how to reconcile your account in QuickBooks Online, and then select Reconcile. The Reconcile window opens. Under the account, select the bank account you want to reconcile. For the training for this video, I want to reconcile the Wells checking account 1987. So I have it selected. Now the beginning balance, which is $330.95 for my case, on your monthly bank statement is also the ending balance from a previous bank reconciliation. Now the ending balance you will see on your bank account statement. In my case, my ending balance is $1,080.15. And the ending date on my bank statement, the ending date is March 31st, 2020, because I'm trying to reconcile the month of March 2020. So I select that end date. And then click Start Reconciling. So the reconciliation window is open. I'm going to go over the important areas on this reconciliation window, the key items on this window. I'm going to go over them. Now the beginning balance is $330.95, which is the ending balance from a previous bank statement, as well as the beginning balance of the most recent bank statement. The ending balance is you see on your current statement. This is it, the ending balance. So the ending balance is the ending balance you will see on your current bank statement. The payments are money out transactions such as checks, wire payments. The deposits are money from transactions you receive from customers. Now I'm going to give some brief description, more or less explanation of all those items as well. Let's start with the date. The date is the date of the transaction. Cleared date is the date the transaction cleared the bank. The type is the transaction type. For example, a check, deposit, bill payment, or a refund. Reference number. Some transactions have reference number, but not all transaction does. For example, a check number could be used as a reference number. Account is the transaction's income or expense category. The payee is the vendor or customer name. The memo shows additional transactions information. Enter into QuickBooks Online. We have a green match symbol next to a transaction demonstrates that the transaction was added or matched in the banking center. Ideally, you want all the transactions in the reconciliation window to have a match symbol next to them. The payment column is for money out transactions. You will also see the payment amount next to each transaction. The deposit column is for money in transaction. You will also see the deposit amount next to each transactions. On your bank statement, look at each transactions one by one for the month you are going to reconcile. So I'm going to look at the month of March 2020. As I said earlier on, that's what I'm reconciling for, the month of March 2020. So I'm going to uncheck those transactions from 2019 because we do not need that in the reconciliation process for March 2020. So the first transaction I have shows a deposit of $50 on my bank statement, and it also shows $50 in the reconciliation screen of QuickBooks Online. So this is actually checked. So this is correct. So what you want to do, you want on the bank statement, look at each transactions one by one for the month you're going to reconcile. Find the same transaction in your bank reconciliation window and check the circle next to that transaction. This will mark the transaction as cleared in the bank reconciliation window. So like in my case, my first transaction is $50. I checked it and my bank statement is also showing $50. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to check everything below on this screen. The month of March. So there is not a difference when I did that, when I checked all the transactions in the reconciliation screen. So when you continue selecting all the transactions that appear on your bank statements, once you complete in selecting all the transactions, like I did, the difference in the upper right should be 0, which is what it's showing. So that means my reconciliation is completed with no errors. So finally, all I have to do is select Finish to reconcile. And it shows me you have reconciled this account. So that's how you reconcile your account in QuickBooks Online. Thanks for watching the video. If you need help with QuickBooks Online training, you can contact me with the email that's in the description of this video.